Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency and four-wheel drive capabilities. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down your rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, as well as a 12-volt power outlet, and this button here to activate your lights out here on either side of the tailgate that can be articulated to shine where you need it. And underneath this rugged cargo cover, you have your spare wheel, looks to be full size, with some extra room for other equipment. And looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches, as well as molly rigging for more equipment to be hooked onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can look at your trip information, your My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, your now playing, Bluetooth phone controls, and further information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stock. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down from that, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. Below that, you have a little tray area, and then you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate so you can stay warm. Below that, you have a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there as well. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, two cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and GOAT mode selector, so drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with another USB and USB-C inside. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.